Hey team, welcome back to the garage today. Today we are going to replace our cup holder phone in our 2013 Honda Odyssey. If you have one of these early 4th gen Honda Odysseys like 11 through I think 17, you have these foam cup holder inserts that Honda used. They're great because they allow you to do anything from a small little 12-ounce can all the way up to a big gulp from your local convenience store. But what happens over time, this fan's 11 years old, these foam inserts break down over time and then they don't hold things secure. And up here in the Northeast, we are seltzer fanatics, so I'm always rolling around with a 12-ounce can of seltzer in here, and with these broken now, they are sliding around and making a mess on me. So what I was able to do is, you can't buy it through Honda. Honda wants you to replace this whole assembly here, but in the aftermarket, a couple people have stepped up and started making these. There's some hand cut ones out there. This one is laser cut, looks high quality, looks a little thicker than the original Honda unit, but we're gonna go with it because this is like 80 bucks to replace this whole piece. I got this, I think, for 25 shipped, but don't quote me on that. So first thing we're going to do to change this, it should be real simple. We have to get this out of here as a complete assembly. So open your compartment lid. So what I have here is a trim tool. So you don't have to use this. If you got your nails under there, you could probably pull it up, but I have the tool, so I'm going to use it. You could probably use a flathead screwdriver, but with that you risk gouging your plastics and whatnot. So I'm going to use this trim tool, skinniest one, pointiest one, and I'm just going to put it in here in the corner, just like that, right about here. I'm going to push it in and then pull it up, and that's simple. The tray comes out and you can access what you need to. So next thing, what we're going to do is, there's some Phillips head screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillips head screws that hold the cup assembly into the trim. So we're going to go ahead and undo those right now. Grab a screwdriver here and back those out. I do apologize, I'm recovering from either a bad allergy attack or a head cold here in the summer. It's got me sniffling a little bit and my nose is running a little bit. I do apologize for that. I knew I was missing a screw. I counted 5 and was only coming up with 4. There we go. As soon as you get that last screw out, your trim piece will come apart from your cup holders down here. So now we can take the old foam off carefully. Okay, so I got the old unit here. You can see these are all ripped and torn over time. And then we got the new unit here. Pretty much looks identical. Like I said, the Honda foam's a little thinner. The replacement's a little bit thicker, but I think it's going to go together no problems here. So what we'll do is we'll take our foam and drop it on here, and all the cutouts should line right up with what you need to do. Put it right in there, line up all your holes. This tab will go up here. It's tucked in. So make sure when you put these corners, these 3 spots on, you tuck it underneath, and then we're going to just push it down to seat it the rest of the way. And what we're going to do is we're just going to reassemble our cup holder assembly here and put it all back together. Now when you put it back together, you're going to have to really work at it a little bit and make sure everything lines up good. Because this new material is thicker, you're going to be squishing it down a little bit as you screw it back together. So we'll go ahead and get one screw started here. I'm not going to tighten it all the way down because I want to make sure I can align everything. So now I'm going to go across in the opposite direction, and I'm going to try to align one across the way here. Okay, so we got 2 screws in. Everything looks like it's properly aligned. We're just going to smush it all together here, get the rest of our screws in. Now make sure, because you're screwing in the plastic and the threads are already existing, turn it backwards so you feel it drop in the threads and then go. That way you're not cutting new threads in the plastic and weakening it. And remember, you're putting a metal screw in the plastic. Don't go crazy. I mean, just until you get a little bit of resistance, that's all you need. You don't want to strip this out because then you're gonna have a bigger issue on your hands. So. And just go around, make sure they're all tight and back in, and now we're good. So we've got our new foam in. It feels great, looks great. No doubt in my mind this is going to last a long time. So once you have your new foam in, just open up your console cover, and then you're just going to push it back in. It's like brand new again. So that's it. That's how to replace your foam in your Honda Odyssey cup holder. I will place a link in the description on where you can buy this. I don't get any money or kickbacks. I'm just looking to help people out. And if you do it and you have any other tips, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for visiting the garage today, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.